Hello and welcome to the course on Kibana. This is the last course in this course series on ELK. After going through the courses on ElasticSearch and LogStash, you should have a good understanding of how data will be collected, formatted, indexed, and finally be available for search using the ELK stack. But the decision makers who are going to consume this data will find it a daunting task if they have to write GET queries or make API calls to retrieve any meaningful data from Elasticsearch. Decision makers and other business stakeholders require timely access to information in a digestible format so that they can run the organization in a meaningful and effective way. Kibana provides such functionality out of the box. It integrates seamlessly with Elasticsearch and provides a very easy to use and visually appealing way to explore our data. In this course, we will focus on this enterprise data visualization tool called Kibana. We will look at the overview and explore the technology that goes behind this tool. I hope you find this information useful for your projects. I'm always on the lookout for great inputs and ideas and would love to know your thoughts about the course and the technology discussed. Let's begin exploring this incredible tool.